look in there. No, look in the back of the cabin.
God damn. Oh, no, we gotta close this thing up. God, dude. All the power's off, throw the bag over. Throw the bag over. Throw the bag. Oh my God, dude.
Dude, I'm videoing the whole thing.
Jesus. I'm gonna kill the AC.
Dude, I'm getting the whole thing on video. Holy fuck, man, it's completely dark outside. Can't even see the trucks anymore. How much dust is in here? You can't even see.
Ah, my eyes. Burning. I've never seen anything like this in my life. It's ridiculous. You ever seen
Broad daylight here about 2 minutes ago. Actually 3.5 minutes ago.
Where's David?
Right here. He's right. Hey, at least you can see the truck now.
It's getting darker. Dude, my lungs burn.
Where'd you run into? In the building over there?
Yeah, I was standing out there trying to take a picture.
You alright, Cade?
My lungs burn.
Dude, it is nasty in here.
Dude.
It's not like we can go anywhere else.
Yeah. You can barely see down in there. Holy smokes.
My eyes are on fire.
Did you see that shit, man? It was nuts, dude.
Wow.
I mean, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
It was pitch black.
And it went to pitch black.
Dude, it's only been 5 minutes since this shit hit us.
Cold. Wind's kicking up.